So first up, we have this DIY table design. Now, a lot of these tables do feature like the planter pots being used at the base. And I love this idea because they're so easy to find and they're usually pretty inexpensive to grab from the store. So it looks like he's adding some texture. And he's doing a very simple design. He's just using like a wooden top here. You could use a cutting board for that if you wanted to. And bam, look at that. Wow. Such a gorgeous table design. Unreal. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some viral DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So next up we have another DIY. Looks like they're making some type of lighting here. Looks like they have the fan. Like typically what they use for like the fans, it looks like that's what they're using, like an old fan or something. Oh, what a cute little lamp design. That's very unique too, very unique piece. And then we have someone doing another upcycle, so they have some old containers here, cleaned them up real good. Cut off the tops. And then they're going in with the paint, of course. I like the texture that one bottle has. It has a nice little like rigid texture going on. So they're adding more paint here. Oh, so they left that textured part by itself. Oh, looks like they might be making vases. Oh, that's cool. So they did two different styles here. One's more just kind of like a decorative, style vase, and then the other one has some foliage in there. And then we have another upcycle here. Looks like they're using burlap. Oh, I guess they're gonna be making flowers because they have like the little flower thing at the screen, on the screen. Oh, those are pretty with the pearls. Oh, those must be the leaves. And then they put some pebbles, some stones at the bottom. Very nice, very cute. This would be a nice DIY if you like neutral colors too. So we have a wooden stick here and some type of old container lid. So they spray painted that, and then they're going in with some styrofoam. They have some more little wooden pieces. I think I know what they're gonna make. They're gonna make like one of those like spear decorative pieces. Yeah, that's definitely what they're making. And this is actually a really pretty, easy, beginner-friendly project. At least I think it is. I don't think it's too complicated. Oh, they're doing gold and black. Oh, I love this. So pretty. It looks so high-end and nice. Gorgeous. Very cool. Oh, we got an Ikea hack. So it looks like they are making that very popular mushroom style lamp. This is like the hottest TikTok DIY of 2023. Or at least one of the top ones, I would say. So they're using the stone color. Very pretty. And this is also a beginner-friendly project. Let me know in the comments if you guys have actually tried this one. They did a really good job on that spray painting. It looked gorgeous. Alright, so we got DIY made out of popsicle sticks. So she made some type of like wall floral decor. This is also a beginner-friendly project, by the way. I always like to point that out just in case anybody wants to like try to, you know, do these DIYs themselves. Now that by itself is pretty, I think. And then she goes in and she adds some flowers. And you could do like a little shelf, but I think I like it the way she did it. The way she just kind of put it on there. That could actually make for a really nice door wreath, I think. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today, and you were able to gain some inspiration for creating your own. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.